Greetings. This is problem number 3 in our series of videos on problems and questions in geometry. In the following diagram, lines that look like tangents are tangents. Angle AOB is 125 degrees. The task is to find the measure of angle COD. So this is a nice puzzling question. How do we calculate analytically the measure of angle COD given that angle AOB is 125 degrees? So one way to find it is as follows. We extend the tangents so that they intersect at a point, and we name a few angles over here. Let this angle be called Z. Let this angle be called Z. Let this angle be called A. And this angle as well is A. Yes, there is a property in circles that such that if you draw a tangent, a pair of tangents from a common point to a circle, and connect the point of intersection of tangents with the center of the circle, then these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. This can be proved by proving these two triangles as equal, and these two angles are equal becomes a consequence. So this is a property of tangents and circles, and therefore if the above angle is A, then this angle is also A. Likewise, if I name this angle as B, then this angle is also B. Now, there is one more construction that I do here, which is as follows. I connect the center of the circle with the point of contact, like this, and it is a property again that this is perpendicular. And I also connect, no, that is it. These are the only constructions, and yes, one more thing, we name this angle as well. Let this angle be called P. Yes, we make one more construction which is as follows. We connect the center of circle with the point of intersection of the tangents. So if that is P, then this is also P, and if I name this angle as Q, then this is also Q. So our task being finding measure of angle COD reduces to measuring P plus Q. So if we somehow find P plus Q, our job is done. So how we are going to find P plus Q is as follows. First we find A plus B. From A plus B we find Z, and from Z we find P plus Q. And to find these angles, all we are going to use is the angle sum property, a property as simple as the angle sum property of a triangle and of a quadrilateral. So how do we find A plus B? Notice in this triangle in this triangle, A plus B plus 125 is 180 degrees. So A plus B can be known. Angle sum property of a triangle. So A plus B is equal to 180 minus 125, which turns out to be 55. A plus B is 55. So A plus B is known. Now from A plus B we can find Z, because in this larger triangle we apply the angle sum property, and that gives us 2B plus Z plus 2A is equal to 180 degrees, which gives us 2A plus B plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. And since A plus B is known, Z can be known in the following manner. (180 minus 110), which is 70. Z is 70. A plus B is 55. Z is 70. And from Z now we can calculate P plus Q. Now notice again that in this quadrilateral we can apply angle sum property and find P plus Q. So 90 degrees plus Z plus 90 degrees plus Q plus Q plus P plus P, which is 2Q plus 2P, is equal to 360 degrees. The sum of the interior angles, the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So now in this equation P plus Q can be found because we know Z. So this equation reduces to Z plus 2P plus Q is equal to 360 minus 180, which is equal to 180. So 2P plus Q is 180 minus Z, which is equal to 180 minus 70, and 180 minus 70 is 110. So P plus Q is 110 divided by 2, which is 55, and hence angle COD is 55 degrees. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching.